Good afternoon. I'm Eric at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. Today I just wanted to take a quick look at the Crest III 220 pontoon. First of all, you'll notice that this boat has got a vinyl floor and it actually has non-skid on it. It's very easy to clean. We also have powder coated rails which will help with impact protection and durability. Also, we corrugate our metal panels to resist dings or water impact for abrasion. When you walk in the boat, a lot of storage inside the boat. We have a trash can, garbage can inside of here, lots of storage, movable cup holders, storage on both sides. We do have an in-floor ski locker to put all kind of accessories in, or your skis. Under helm storage, which is nice, gives you plenty extra room inside of there. We come over to the dash. We have all the basic gauges, fusion stereo. We have USB 12-volt ports. We have digital depth finder, hour meter, a tilt wheel that tilts high enough that you can drive the boat. This particular boat also has a changing room located inside, folds out, stores back very easily. Additional storage back here, which includes the storage behind the seat, more storage down below, and then this particular boat has what's called the flip-flop seat, so you can sit facing out into the lake, or if you need to, you can sit facing forward. Nice little glove box. This is a great storage area to put your cooler in, or chest on the inside. And then we have a great ski tow bar, very massive stainless ladder, and of course the Mercury 200. This boat would be a great addition to your family. Everybody'd have a great time. And just wanted to show you a quick look. Thank you for seeing us today.